Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how you can easily install Umbraco using Visual Studio. So let's begin. So first of all, we'll create a new fresh project from Visual Studio. So let's click File, New Project, and let's create a new ASP.NET project. So let's call project as CMS, and I'll save it on some drive. So let me save it on the drive and the new folder called test. So and then click OK, and we'll be selecting the empty project. Okay, this will take some time, so let's wait. Okay, now our project is ready. You can see it's empty. We don't have anything over here. Now what we need to do is we need to go to the tools and we need to go to the NuGet package manager, and let's search for Umbraco CMS. Let's go to browse and let's search for so when you search for Umbraco CMS, you will see the Umbraco CMS over here. So we want to install the CMS in our project, so let's select the project, and for this video we'll be installing Umbraco 7.13.2. Now let's click install. Now this will take some time, so we need to wait. Now we will prompt with this screen, so let's click OK and click accept, and this will start to install the CMS in the project, and it will take some time. So you can see the files has been added, and it will take a couple of seconds to finish it. So it says successfully installed, so I think we have finished installing. See, it has added the required files. Right, so it has been, so we have completed installing the CMS, so it's time to test it. So to test it, we first need to build the solution. So once the build is completed, then we can start to run the build. So just click the run button and just wait. So it will start. Now you can see that it's trying to load the CMS for the first time, so we just need to wait for a couple of seconds. Now we need to provide some details like a name. For this case I'll provide my name as Brother, email address. Let's give anything like Brother gmail.com, password gives them the password and before you install, let's click the customize button. The password is too short, so it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 6. Okay, and click the customize button. Now you have an option like you can either choose SQL Server as your data type, or SQL C, MySQL, or SQL Azure, or your custom database. For this one, I'll choose SQL C as my database. And let's go back. Let's install. Now this will install the Umbraco for the first time, and it will take some time. Okay, now once it has been finished installing, you can see in this Umbraco back office, so you can see the CMS has been properly installed. So you can log out and you can again try logging it, just to make sure. I'll change my keyboard and passport 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and hence we have successfully installed the CMS. Thanks for watching this video.